Wow, crazy forest. I'm in the middle of the forest. Whoa, and it's super sweaty. Hey guys, what is up? I finally got my first bike in Thailand. I'm super excited. This is like a next level journey. I just was like thinking what else to do in Koh Phangan on the last day, and I'm super excited. I got my bike, and yes, now I'm heading to the waterfalls. Hopefully, I can find it. I have to just check and put it in the maps, but I'm very excited. Now the journey is going to be super. Oof, there's a spider. Ooh, there's a spider on me. That means there's something gonna be more interesting. So let's go ahead and check out the waterfalls. Guys, check this road. Now I'm going to ride this road. I am super excited. It's like a roller coaster or something like that. It also says a crazy road. So yeah, the bike is here. I'm here. I'm enjoying my ride. Lovely, beautiful place. Mountains of Thailand, Gulf of Thailand. Look where I've reached finally with my bike. We are almost reaching the national park. Looks like that's the national park, and I just took my lunch from a local street food area. Check this out. We're going there. We're going to go there now. Beautiful, amazing. Guys, I've reached almost, and in just 2 minutes we're gonna reach Phaeng Waterfalls. It's beautiful. So guys, we have finally arrived at the parking point, and that's my bike. We are going to head to the Phaeng Waterfall. Let's just go now to Phaeng Waterfall. Wow. Beautiful. Now this is what I've been waiting for. I was always thinking, why the hell there is nothing to explore in Koh Phangan other than just exploring parties. But now we have got this. The best thing is, all you need to do is just take the bike and ride over Koh Phangan. The best ever idea I can give you. I could have saved a lot of money by just... Okay, how much? 100 baht. Okay guys, I'm finally here. It's just 5 minutes walk to the waterfall, and it hardly takes like 100 baht for you to get in. So I'm excited. I always love forests. So yeah. Whoa. Oh my god, the bike ride was amazing, guys. Amazing. I can't believe we are here already. Check this out. This is a national park behind. Wow. These are the plant species. Wow, amazing, guys. It's a national park. Woohoo! Amazing. Beautiful. Rustic. Ta-da! Wow. I'm so proud of myself. We did it, guys. Maybe we can take some clicks when we come back. It's already looking darker, but let's just enjoy the beautiful waterfall hike. Wow, beautiful. Lovely. Walking always. Look at that. Check that out. The waterfalls. Wow. Wow. Check this out, guys. Such serene and beautiful forest. Check this out, guys. This is the Phaeng Waterfalls we have reached finally. Wow. And that's the waterfall name. This is the forest. Beautiful. We have finally entered the trail. I don't know which. Oh, that is not just the Phaeng waterfall, but there's lot more on top. There is Domsila viewpoint. There is Tan Nam Rak waterfall, for which we have been looking for, and a nature trail, and Tan Song Prang waterfall. Wow, there's so many waterfalls now coming up. Let's just go and have fun. We are brilliantly hiking up the trail in the forest alone. There's a waterfall there. This is a trail apparently, so please stay on the trail. This and this might confuse you, but since there is a path going there directly, that seems to be the trail for sure. Let's check it out. So we are heading Domsila viewpoint. There is a board where we can take a right and a left to Phaeng Waterfalls, or Domsila viewpoint is on top, so we can finish the left side first and we can do the right side because everything comes on right. So yeah, let's head. Wow, crazy forest. I'm in the middle of the forest. Whoa, and it's super sweaty. This is a crazy rainforest. Wow, beautiful. Chilled out at this waterfall. I'm so happy. I just smoked up and mosquitoes are biting me like super because of the dark skin. That's the disadvantage. But we are here at this waterfall. I had absolutely great fun. I ate my lunch over here. I smoked up a purple joint. Whoa. Now, gonna head back home. This was amazing, guys. I had absolute fun. The forest was worth it. The last day in Koh Phangan. Tomorrow I will be leaving to Koh Samui, another destination.
But maybe it will be some adventure.
Adventure. Where are you from? Russia?
Yeah.
Nice.
And you?
From Singapore.
Ah, Singapore.
Wow. Beautiful lake ponds over there. Natural pond. Just can't. Whoa, coming out of the forest is like the sunlight. Wherever the sunlight is, guys, when you get lost, remember the sunlight is the way to home. And yes, you see, this is connected by coming. We were coming that way, and now we came this way, so it's connected. Beautiful. Guys, now getting massage done after that long national park trek. Now I'm getting massage done. Peace out. Okay, guys, like, subscribe my channel.